Hey guys, day 2, welcome back. This is the getting ready for Christmas series. I am back again at Von Mill. I don't know what you guys can see because honestly you guys, my camera mash up. It broke, fully broke. So screen gone, everything gone. I don't know what I can see, bear with me, I can't see anything neither. But I don't know when I back. Most people man, not my people man, but somebody man. He's going to Jamaica, so he is here to look clothes because as you guys know it is winter here. I don't know what he really expected to find for summer here, but tell him for order online. He might talk about the clothes not gonna come in time. Me order online and get clothes in a couple of days, you know, but whatever. Them say me know everything, so I don't know. But we're here at the mall before the mall opens to avoid disappointment. Because yesterday I had to sanitize, obey the rules. These unruly people, all these Jamaicans, like I can't deal with them now. They're just so freaking unruly. Let me see if Timmy's is open. But yeah, we're here to see what we can get. We got in the mall early. Don't have to, oh actually, Bath and Body Works. Let me go wait in the line for them to open. Because Goody is getting her candles today, and I'm not waiting in no Bath and Body line work in the food court. Bomba upon line already. Is this for Bath and Body Works still? Do you see the lineup for Bath and Body Works?
Oh shit.
Yo, you guys. Pause. Y'all see the line? Do you guys see the line? This is the food court. Okay? I'm not waiting for this for candles, bro. I'll order it online. Hopefully it comes to me, but I'm not doing that. Me just feel very discouraged right now, guys, because me not understand what is keeping. The mall opens at 11 o'clock. I thought we were going to be like, you know, somewhat one of the early people, which technically we are. But this is crazy. And you know these people, like, they don't know exactly which scent they want, so wait. I'll pass. I will pass. That is insane. Who has the time? Come, Darren. We can't bother say Christmas I keep. Only one mall in Toronto open right now. Everybody I pack up at the one mall, and yeah, I just need to go to Foot Locker. I need a sneakers, and I wanted to get my candles, but look at mother. She's gonna be so sad for me. You want to check in here? If you see anything?
Yeah.
Alright guys, first stop, Designer Depot. It's Christmas, you guys. It's Christmas. Oh, I like these ugly sweaters. These are actually not ugly. Those are cute. Where's men's? Anyways, guys, about $200 later, here we are. My cousin went on a shopping spree. You know, yeah. And now we're in the lineup for Foot Locker. Cause Goody need our shoes. Talk truth, yeah, girl. What me I buy shoes for? I don't know. I should be buying winter shoes, but you know, Goody can't wear heels, so Goody have to wear sneakers. Yeah, yeah. So that me I do my way to another line. It don't seem like it's a tree long. I know what I want, so I just get my size, come right out. I'ma come right out. I might have to come here again in like before Christmas and get something else. If me I get my Christmas present what I want, yeah. And yeah, but it's Christmas time. I ain't shopping for myself, I'm shopping for everybody else. You know what I'm saying? Like shopping for everybody else. I'm so excited, man. So cool. So yeah, I will come back when I reach inside, if we reach inside, or what time we reach it. Let me see. It's 11:44. See what time it. Ross, we're there about 1 hour now. 1 hour now. 1 hour now, and we get through in only one store. But yeah, cousin say I'm broke now. I'm full of money, you know. I the ones with full of money, go and let them down. I'm stingy. It's a stingy here.
Mr. Chin.
Stingy. No, not even Mr. Chin. You're worse than Mr. Chin. It's a stingy here. Yeah. Yeah. There, took the picture. Yeah, that's funny. You're funny. No, I turned it off. Wait. Hey guys, yeah, I'm here watching Selena. Pause. Are you guys watching this series? Comment down below. Let me know if you guys are. But yeah, it's a lot later in the day. I thought I left my car. In the camera. You can decipher what I'm trying to say. Yeah. But yeah, it's been hours since I got back from the mall. Yo, you guys, I'm just doing a whole bunch of stuff. Good thing my boss told me today that we are getting vacation, like we are closing for Christmas, so that is good. I can rest for a good 2 weeks, yeah, until we reopen in the new year. I'm glad about that. I'm glad about bus right now, yeah, girl. What did I go say? I have some things I may try to do right now. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here just because I have a whole bunch of things to do. I have work. I go back to work tomorrow, so I have to go do what I do and go sleep early. I did finish my previous order again. I'll show you guys all of that in tomorrow's. Here about tomorrow. This is not Vlogmas, baby girl. But I appreciate you guys for watching today's vlog. If you enjoyed it, please comment down below and let me know what your favorite part of the vlog was. If there's anything that you guys would like to see in upcoming vlogs, comment down below. Let me know as well. This is where we can communicate. You get what I'm saying? This is where you guys can tell me your likes, dislikes, in a constructive way. And yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you are new, please make sure you subscribe. If you are returning, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from me. It's your favoriteest girl, Zoisha, signing off. I will see you guys in the next vlog, whenever that is and whatever that is. Thanks again for stopping by today. Until next time, bye. Wait! You guys, I don't know if by this time the news would have gone up, but Sunny just had her baby. Well, she didn't just have her baby, but she finished up and was able to let us know that she had her baby. Ah, she's here. Oh my God, you guys, and she's so pretty. Her face is just so round and cute and a little bow. Oh my God, her eyes. Oh my God, you guys, I have a thing for eyes. Like when people have like nice eyes, but just her eyes. Oh my God, little bro, little baby. Oh my God, congrats to the Duncans on your newest addition to your family. You guys know it's nothing but love over here. Sandy, you know how long I have genuinely wanted this for you. I am genuinely happy for you. Like, if anybody deserves a take on motherhood, or if anybody deserves to enjoy motherhood, it would definitely be you. You are fit to be a mom, and I know you're going to be the most amazing mom ever. To my niece. Honestly, like, she could not have got the I wanted my grammar to be perfect, but she could have not picked a better mom. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy for you, girl. Like, I can't wait to meet you, baby. I can't wait to see you. But until then, I will continue shipping off my packages to you. Oh my God, you guys. I love, like, when people just get their happiness. Like, oh my God, in the midst of like 2020 being the absolute craziest time that a lot of us have ever experienced, like the fact that so many good things still came out of this year is just, oh my gosh, like I'm so freaking excited. So yeah, I came on here to say that I'm actually heading on the road right now to go deliver a package, well, an order. So yeah, but she just sent me the message because I messaged her. I was talking to her all day, and the last time I spoke with her, she told me she was 8 centimeters, and I was like, girl, by the time I'm done work, that baby's gonna be here. And so said, so done, because I'm the baby whisperer. Bars, okay? But yeah, I'm going to go deal with that and come back because I don't want to be on the road too long. Ooh, let me show you guys. I started making my Christmas stuff. Look, it's my wreath. I gotta put it, I made this last night. It's not finished. I still have some spots and stuff to fill in, and I gotta take the glue off and stuff like that. Don't ask me why I have chips hanging up back here, you guys. Okay, but anyways, yeah, so I gotta finish this and then put this up today. So yeah, I gotta fill in some more spots over here and stuff. Actually, what am I saying? No, it just wasn't hanging the right way. So yeah, there it is. Yeah, there she goes. So yeah, I'm gonna head on the road and go do that, and then probably not come back to you guys because there's nothing for me to come back to you guys and do tonight. Oh, actually no, I gotta come home and make some ornaments, so maybe I will do that, come back and show you guys that. I don't know, but as I was saying, yeah, you guys, I broke my camera, so I had to go out and get a new one. And I was gonna get a Canon G7X Mark II, whatever, but over here in Canadian dollars, that camera was almost $900. Okay, I can wait. Let me progress. I was using my phone up until last year. I started using my camera. Okay, progressed. It broke. This camera nothing was wrong with it. I was the one that broke my camera. I dropped it. And that's what really mashed it up, apart from when I was in Jamaica, and I don't know what happened to it, but the perspiration or whatever reaching on my camera, and it like damaged it. It was almost as if water went in my camera when no water went in it. But yeah, anyways, long story short, went back, got my camera. This was in my budget, balling on my budget, yeah. And it works. It does the job perfectly fine. I just need to care this one a lot better. I do not plan on opening it until I feel like I need to use it. Like, I will continue to use this one for now. When this one stops functioning, then I will stop using it. Like, look, this is what it looks like. This is what my screen looks like. If you guys can see it. Yeah, you guys more than likely can see it, but that is what my screen basically looks like. A whole hot ass mess. You cannot see anything except for these little, I don't even know what to call it, because it's not even a triangle. So yeah. Until next time, you guys go over to the We the Duncans and go congratulate them on their baby girl. And I'm pretty sure they will be updating you guys very soon. If you guys are not subscribed to their channel, head over and subscribe to their channel. Yeah? Okay? I will see you guys next time. This probably will be a continuation of a vlog or something, so I don't know. Okay, bye.